No pictures, please, no pictures, guys. Yes, guys, it's EDDIEKICKS. Okay, yes, it's EDDIEKICKS. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I have a 30 kg Cnfans haul, and I already know this haul is gonna be one of my favorites so far because everything in here is trendy. Yo, let me take these glasses off. Ooh, all the aura is gone. But back to what I was saying, this is gonna be a really good haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm really excited for this. This was shipped with some like random US line, and it only cost $200. Yes, the tariffs are gone pretty much, so I'm happy. Guys, get your hauls for the summer. It's not too late, and take advantage of this tariff-free time because we don't know when they'll be back, so yeah. Anyways, I used my own coupons in this haul. I saved over $50. I did my like 25% off coupon, so if you guys want any coupons for your hauls, click the first link in my description, sign up, check your user center, and boom, a bunch of coupons. Ooh, this one is really heavy. Never cut towards yourself, kids. Holy, there's some thick cardboard this time. All right, so that is what the inside of the haul looks like. Just looks like a whole bunch of nothing, but it's actually a whole lot of something. It's actually like 100 degrees in this room, so I'm sorry if I'm like hot. So yeah, grabbing the first item is this Balenciaga bag, starting off very, very strong. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Let's see what we got here. What do we got here? Wow, automobile, Lamborghini, something closer than it appears. Dang, this shirt is hard. Nice little graphic on the shirt, the wheel on the back. Balenciaga, yo. This is some Balenciaga drip right here, if I've ever seen it. This was like, let me see how much this costed. This shirt costed $25. The quality feels pretty good. It feels actually like really good. Like, look at that. You're not seeing through it. You're not seeing the individual grain. Like, this is a nice t-shirt. Okay, $25. You know where to find it, repsheets.net. New website coming soon. Same URL, repsheets.net, but a whole new design. It's gonna look so good. Cause I can't even lie to you, the one I have right now is kind of mid. So yeah, but you can find this on repsheets.net. You can find everything inside this haul on repsheets.net, repsheets.net. The best spreadsheet of all time. I've had so many people tell me that it helps them so much when building a haul, and it honestly makes my day. So yeah, next. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, on the theme with the Balenciaga. Y'all see that? On the theme with the Balenciaga. Now, this is something that you guys have probably seen before. Like, everyone has it, but the, oh my God. Yo. Oh my God. Yo, these smell like the factory. Oh, yo. Whew. I mean, it'll go away after like a few minutes, but holy, to get hit with that in your face right off opening, I honestly love it. I love that smell. That's how you know you got some good product on your way. When it smells like it been through the thick and thin. All right, but these are the Balenciaga, like furry, like they look like a poodle or something. The bottom, hard, nice and rubber. Top, Balenciaga, nice and furry. They actually feel good, like high quality, like sturdy. But yeah, let me try them on. All right, so here's the feet cam. Let me try them on. Ooh, these are a little bit tight, you know, a little bit tight. Yeah, they might be a little bit tight on me though. I think I got the size 11 instead of size 12 because I didn't know how they fit. I mean, you know, I might have to give these away to someone with smaller feet. After all, you know, I do have some pretty big feet, size 12. Oh yeah, I think these are size 11. I should probably size up on my next haul, so I'm gonna order these again. But yeah, they're actually like kind of comfy. Why are these comfy? You think they wouldn't be comfy if you have socks on, but it's just such a unique feeling. What the, now I know why people have these. I always thought these are so ugly, but they're comfy. Anyways, I'm gonna put a hole in my wall one of these days, throwing stuff up in that corner, but freaking we ball. All right, next, I have this phone case. This is for my brother. He has been phone caseless for like 3 months now. Well, I've told him I'd get him a case, and I just keep forgetting, and I keep putting it off. But I finally got his case. You'll actually be happy to see this. He sent me a link to this. He said, can you give me this? It looks pretty cool. It's like Goyard case. I think it looks pretty cool too. So yeah, you already know how to ball out, how to get him in. I'm the best brother ever, so yeah, right out to the corner. And this was, let me check. This was $5. It actually feels really nice. Look at that. So yeah, I will be ordering them again, and you will see them in a future haul. Next item, I have like 20 items in this, so let's, come on, hurry this up. We're gonna speed run this one. Chrome hearts bag, shirt inside. Ooh, some metal on the shirt. That's new. All right, this is the back. This is the front. As you can see, it has like embroidered metal. That's actually kind of cool. This shirt feels really nice too. Holy dang, this is actually like a whole like metal thing on my shirt and on the back. It's actually a nice shirt. This is something like blingy you wear, like something like this is something exotic. Like this is not like a daily wear. This is something that you have to pop out with. You have to come with something else, like glasses, like a chain, like, you know, some kicks. But yeah, let me see how much this costed. This was only $21. This was $21. The quality feels really nice. Look at those tags. Yeah, I really recommend this shirt. It looks pretty cool. It's unique. It has metal on it. Like, what shirt has metal on it? Come on. But yeah, $20. You can find it at repsheets.net. Next. Let's save this one for later. Next is this Stussy. I haven't got Stussy in a little bit. My room be so trash after all these openings, and it takes me like a week to clean it. Okay, next is this Stussy shirt. Red Stussy logo. It look like some blood on the back. Stussy with a scorpion. It's actually a nice design. Like, I feel like this is a calm little shirt you could wear like with anything. It's a nice white shirt, red, nice red design on the back. Tags are nice. Look at that tag. It's pretty nice. It's not even see-through with a light behind it, which is pretty surprising because usually white shirts are see-through with a light behind it. And after seeing how good this one is, I'm gonna order more. You bet I will. What was it? $14. You can find it at repsheets.net. You search up like Stussy shirts. It'll be there, believe me. All right, next I actually have something I'm very excited for. It has like a cool pattern to it. Like, it's something out of the ordinary. Like, I wouldn't get this on a day-to-day. But this is I don't even know what this brand is. Mertra. I saw it on Reddit. This hoodie, Mertra, and I thought, like, you know, it kind of looks cool. So I decided to get it. I think it's like a European brand. Like, there's some European drip. It looked cool. Also, let me see how much it cost. Okay, this was $45 hoodie. I think the retail one though is like a lot more. It's one of these brands where like they drop like 100 of the hoodies and then they resell for like thousands. It's like pretty weird. But sheesh, it actually feels really like cozy. Look at that material on the inside. It feels really, oh my God. It feels like a bunny, bro. It feels like a bunny. But here it is. It fits me pretty nice. I'm great. I'm actually glad it fits me though, because if it didn't fit me, I'd probably be really sad because I wanted to actually wear this. Like, I'd actually wear this.
Treat me like don't get me dirty.
You already know. Yo, I low-key hate like how summer, like I like how it's hot outside, but I don't want it to be hot inside. Can we not, please? Okay, next, I got some Stussy jorts. I never wear jorts. I've never worn them before. I don't even own a pair of jeans. Actually, I own like one, but I've never owned a pair of jorts before. And they're in like style right now. They're in fashion. Like, jorts are something my dad literally wears every single day to work and stuff. So, you know, like, am I really gonna wear jorts? These are massive. I could wear this as a shirt. This is insane. I know they're supposed to be baggy, but holy, I should have known when these are the big old jeans. If you know what it is, kind of like a collection where it's just really baggy stuff. I should have bought a size down. I don't know why I bought normal size. I'm kind of special for this. I kind of want to try them on though, so let me try them on. Yo, how they look on me? How they look? A little baggy, but like this kind of like what's in style, you know? Some baggy jorts. I don't know. Maybe I'll probably give these away to someone. You know, I'm more of like the sweatpants person. Like, I just pop out and you know, sweatpants every single day. These shorts were $30. They feel really good. Feel like really good quality, good denim. They have like a nice wash to look to them. Yeah, these are pretty nice. I think I'd maybe order these again and just size down a little bit because I'm not like the big baggy type of person. The next item is this blank hoodie. This is like a $10 blank hoodie, and I got two of them, different colors. It's like the same brand that I get for all my other unbranded stuff. So I saw these and I'm like, the pants are good. They make good unbranded pants, good unbranded shirts. So I'm decided to get the hoodie. So this is a nice gray hoodie. I mess with the blank stuff because like I don't like to wear like designer stuff every single day. Like, I'm not trying to every single day wear some like Supreme or Chrome Hearts and stuff, you know? Like, you know. And yeah, the quality feels really soft. Can't wait to wear these on a cold day. But yeah, this was like $10. I'm gonna show you my other one real quick. The other one is this black one. Same thing, same size, same everything. Feels really nice. Feels like a pillow, feels like a cloud. I wanna go to sleep on it. Okay, so I have 6 pairs of denim here. 5 of them are jeans, 1 is jorts, some chrome heart jorts, but they're all from the same seller. They're all like a baggy kind, and I got like a bunch of different colors and sizes because I didn't really know what I was. So I'm just gonna go through them. First up though is this chrome hearts one. I don't think it's the same seller as the other ones, but this is a chrome heart jorts. You know, it's summertime. You can't be wearing like long stuff. You can't be wearing heavy stuff. So these smell insane, I can't lie, but they look pretty nice. Paint splatter, chrome heart cross. Let me try these on real quick. Actually, before I try them on, I always like to like take a more into detail look when it's coming to chrome heart stuff, because look at that. You're telling me this a rep? You're telling me this a rep? This is some high quality rep if you ask me. Ooh, I low-key mess with these. And I got the chrome heart shirt on, so like it's a plus, you know. But I low-key mess with these more than the Stussy one. This is how I want the Stussy to kind of fit, you know, like up to the knees, right to the knees, like a little baggy. But yeah, these look kind of nice. Like this would pair, like you can make a fit with this. Hold on now. Oh, what the, you see that? Yo, who that? Yo. These are 30 bucks. I recommend these, I actually do. I'll put them in the spreadsheet. Everything's on there, everything's on there. But yeah, on to the rest of these denim, these jeans. I got like 3 different sizes. So what size is this? It's an XL, okay? I don't expect this to fit me. These are literally huge. I'm still gonna try it on though. But each of these are like $5 each. They feel pretty good, pretty like lightweight. Overall quality on these, they look pretty good. It has like the wash to look to it. And yeah, I'm gonna try them on. Yo, when I said baggy, I didn't mean this baggy, yo. I'm literally dusting the floor with these, yo. How tall do I think I am, yo? What the? Let me try on the different ones. These are large, these are large. These are smaller, some blue ones. Yo, are these flared? Why are they so big on the bottom? I did not buy flared. Y'all about to crash out. Look at these. Mind you, these are large. I'm like 6 foot, 6'2" on a good day, maybe 6'1", and these are dragging on the floor. I'm tripping over these. All right, next, if this is a larger XL, I'm not trying it. This is a larger XL. Look at the quality, look pretty good. Look like some dirty jeans, like holy. There's another large. Mopping the floor with these two. It's whatever. Can't even wear these. All right, this one's a medium. Let me try these on. These are more manageable. They're still like super wide on the bottom. Like, why are they so wide? Can't they like, you know, like make it like, yo, what the? Yo, why are you doing? Why are you doing? Why are you doing? But yeah, these are ones that I could maybe, you know, wear. I could put these on. I had this fit in mind with this hoodie and the jeans. Hold on now, hold on now. I feel like him right now. I feel like him. Yo, what's the word? Yo, what's the word? Yo, what's the word? Yo, these are huge. All right, so next I have some Emanuel shorts. Hoping these aren't see-through because there's been a lot of cases where it be see-through. I'm not gonna lie, is that see-through? Can you guys see through that? Hopefully not. But a lot of times people say they're see-through and I really hope it's not because, oh, low-key, I can see through this. But these are like $5. I don't know what I expected. They don't look too bad though. Let me try them on. Holy, these are definitely some hooping shorts. All right, so they on. You know, they go past the knee. They're light, they're airy, you know, there's everything you want in like a hooping short. And then next I have these black ones, same size, they fit the same. I'm about to wear these after I film because it's so hot. Next, for like one of the last items is this. I've actually been wanting this Miami Bape t-shirt, Miami Bape jersey, just a fire design. I'm gonna try it on. All right, so here I got it on. I knew this would fit me because I got like a smaller size. I feel like this shirt has to match with the pants no matter what, like some black jeans, some black sweatpants, gotta be like a little bit baggy, and they do not match with these. Feels good, good quality. I recommend it. I definitely do recommend it. This was like 15 bucks too. All right, next is this Supreme baklava. Let me just show you, like look, it's gray. Now it's white. So it's a heat reactive. I'll crumple it in a ball, blow into it. Boom, the entire thing's white now, or like, you know, speckle. You know what, it changed colors. It starts gray and turns white once you breathe, once hot air touches it. And yeah, this is pretty cool. It's pretty cool how you can make reps of this. Like, that just shows you like everything's kind of made with the same materials. Next, I have some sunglasses for my brother. Never mind, these are not the ones I thought. These are like some Y2K, like what even are these? Y2K glasses. Yo, wow, I see them blue. They feel so weird, what? All right, last but not least, I think there's 3 pairs of glasses in here. So one of them are the sunglasses of my brother, just normal like sunglasses. He wanted gold, I don't know why. And then these are some chrome heart, real like glasses that you can wear, like put a prescription in them. I nerded these. Whew, that felt like a year, but that is the end of my haul. I overall, you know, got a bunch of like junk that I probably will never wear, but I did it for you guys. But yeah, don't forget to get your free coupons in the description. Get like 25% off and like $129 worth of coupons. It's amazing. I literally make alt accounts to do it. So yeah, and hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please drop a like and subscribe. And yeah, I'm about to see you in the next one. Goodbye.